What's up, everybody? It's Space Donks coming at you live. Yes, it's your boy Space Donks. Are you scared? Or were you scared? Did you think your Dogecoin was going back to zero? Did you really believe the FUD? What do you think? Did you buy those dips, baby? Did you watch Bitcoin go down and Dogecoin and Ethereum and all the other important cryptocurrency go down? Yes, maybe you did. Maybe you already knew. Maybe you got a great deal, and maybe you're still getting in on a great deal, in my opinion. Well, it's your boy Space Donks coming at you live. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there in the world. I am not a father yet. Just putting that out there. Well, I kind of am. I have 2 cats. Does that make me a father? Yes, I'm a cat daddy. Yes, I am. It's confirmed. I am a cat daddy. So happy Father's Day to everybody out there in this beautiful world. I hope there's people around today because it is a special day and people are having barbecues here in the U.S. People here on the East Coast anyway. I'm broadcasting to you live 4:21 p.m. Sunday, and there's people all over playing music. I got one neighbor booming the music. He's got old school R&B tunes on, then he's blasting some rock, and then he's blasting some rap. Then I got a pool party in back of that house. They're blasting all types of new music coming out the speakers, and then all of a sudden they switch up to the 1980s music, and then I'm thinking to myself, damn, it's a good deal today. I'm thinking about Dogecoin. I'm back there, baby, with my legs kicked up, all alone in my house, nobody around. Mrs. Diamond Hands is out working. That's right, baby, she's working today, and I'm chilling with my cats, and I'm watching Dogecoin start to surge again, and it was a good deal, in my opinion, and it's still a good deal. What's up, Max L? Happy Father's Day. I checked that photo out on Twitter with the baby at the zoo, the carriage. Congratulations, baby. So what's up, guys? There's a lot of things going on. It's a big week coming up. We got AMC, talks of a gamma squeeze. Is it coming, and when is it coming? We know it's coming. We know it's a trade, and when is it gonna all happen? How high will it go? Will AMC literally go past 100? I expect, of course, I'm in it. Of course I expect it to go past 100. Is it going to go through the hundreds? Is it going to be GameStop? Is it going to go past $1,000 as some people are saying, and then $100,000 and $500,000? We will talk about that when we reach $100 and then beyond. Of course, I believe definitely we have a good shot here. The AMC Ape Nation, all the apes out there, and all of us, retail investors that are supposedly really dumb to the 1%ers out there, but we have the power in our hand. What's up, everybody? How's it going? Spending some time with your children today? Gonna put all my AMC profits into Dogecoin. What a deal! What a deal! I hit 2 friends up today in a text, and I said, hey, Dogecoin is literally at 26 cents. This is a great deal, in my opinion, I said. Look at that. It's going back up. The last live stream we did 2 days ago, it was crazy. It was a glitch, and it started going up. It started surging. And it really wasn't. It was Robinhood doing some glitch in the Matrix thing. It was crazy. Because then as Dogecoin went up, it was amazing to watch. The entire room started flooding with a bunch of people as it went up. It's crazy how, like, it turns on a dime. People just started searching for Doge all over. In my YouTube video, we were in a live stream as it was happening, and it just started filling up. So, yeah, crazy market right now. Everything seems to be kind of, like, down. And there's a lot of opportunity if you know it to get in, y'all. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate that, Max. What's up? Max is always... Hey, Max, congrats on being a dad and a good man. That's awesome, baby. That is what's up, my man Max. So, yes, I showed my wife some photos you put on Twitter. I'm like, look, he's rocking the merch. This dude is no joke. So, yeah, so I appreciate all the support, baby. What's up, everybody? So we are here on a day, it's a holiday, and we are talking about what's coming up. We're forecasting what possibly might be coming up this week. I actually got to put this on my Twitter. I got to take the link from the live stream and just post it on Twitter, on my own Twitter here. That's new. So, yeah, good times all around. I'm feeling really good about Dogecoin. I'm not worrying. I'm not worried. I look at the future. I think the future is remarkable, and there's, as far as crypto goes, and there's so much opportunities also with stonks, of course, and we have a lot to look forward to, guys. A lot to look forward to. And if you're a Dogecoin investor, you know what's up. You know what's going on. Someone wrote me here. I got a private message. Okay. Al is hitting me up and live now. I'm writing him. on a private message here. I'm linking Al into my message here if he wants to attend the room. He wrote me. So guys, yeah, it's going to be so awesome, I think, like in the long run. And I think it's all just begun. I know, you know, it seems crazy. It's volatile. It is cryptocurrency. A lot of you already have, some of you have been invested in cryptocurrency for a while. So you do realize the volatility that cryptocurrency goes on. Sometimes these wild, epic runs, either up or down, is it against you? The sentiment builds and then the crescendo builds and it goes back up. It's wonderful being a part of crypto. You just got to know what you're doing and know what you're getting into. As far, you know, look, nobody can actually predict the future right on, right? Hindsight's always 20/20, they say. But looking at the way Doge is behaving and looking at the way Bitcoin is behaving and Ethereum, you would be more likely to gain in the long term than, in my opinion, than to lose. You know, I am not a financial advisor. I'm a retail investor just like you. And so far, I've been doing this for a while. It's been going good. Dogecoin forever. Manila, Philippines. What's up? Shout out to the Philippines. What's going on? So right now, my Twitter's asking me what's happening. So I'm putting live stream. This is happening. Yeah, guys, so this is pretty awesome as far as the sale goes. It really is. How could you go wrong, right? A lot of people, I know, they're freaking out. People, you know, it's just natural. Some people, there's either diamond hands and golden arms, or you're just really scared. People got into AMC, and some people probably really are panic selling AMC, which is crazy, right? A very few, a portion of people, I believe, if they got in at the very high, the all-time high, and then they watch it dip, and then others step in. Same thing with Dogecoin and Bitcoin. There's people that are still holding, a lot of people at 60,000 and on down, right? And it's what you're going to do, what decisions you make that ultimately decide your future, your initial investment with your future of how much money you put in. So I feel really comfortable in my Dogecoin positions. I feel really good. You know, my wife, I'm not going to lie, she said, hey, why don't you do this and that? She tried to grab my portfolio on me. She's done it in the past. And she grabbed some stuff and sold it on me, you know, back in the day, a couple months ago. And I was in a letter. What's up, Harlem Fashion? How you doing? Happy Father's Day to all the dads, all the grandfathers. You guys are much appreciated. Dads in the world, one of the hardest jobs in the world. I could imagine. Like I said, I'm only a parent of cats, so I don't know what it's like to actually be a dad of a human being. So right now, you know, I don't have any kids yet. We'll see what happens in the future, right? You never know, right? So let me just get this last hashtag in there. Dogecoin Army. The Dogecoin Army is still here, and we got buyers right now, guys. We got buyers right now. People are buying, and I believe still Dogecoin will continue to be flying. There will be opportunities like this again. Absolutely. We're in the cryptocurrency markets, and that's how it plays out. It's easy. You just don't sleep. Poor man trading says. Oregon in the building. What's going on, baby? How you doing? I actually want to drop a link in Stock Twits as well. Maybe we'll get some people. I understand for me, it's probably the worst time to do a live stream, right? Because of the time, of the holiday, of the date. But hey, you know what? I want to come on here when Doge is in the 20s. I want to come on here with Bitcoin showing you comparatively how the charts look and what's going on. And it's funny because in my last live stream, we were in the 30s still, and someone asked me, do I think Doge will go back down in the 20s? I said, yeah, it possibly can. And they were like, good. Then I'm going to set my limit buy for a $25 to grab a deal, to grab a sale. So, you know, this is the way things just play out because it's a cryptocurrency, and I said depending on what Bitcoin does. Of course, when Bitcoin goes down, all the other cryptocurrencies go down. They ride off it. FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt is being projected across these across the internet because a lot of people want your coin cheaper, or they want your stonk, they want your AMC shares cheaper. So there's always people out there, even paid people, allegedly, but you know, they're paid to get on and just post anything that's negative about a certain stock or certain crypto to get you out of your position, you know, and that's just the way it goes, guys. So I believe, you know, ultimately that we're going to go to the moon. I believe ultimately that AMC, I don't see how AMC does not go past $100 right now per share. This is going to be an epic squeeze. It's going to be awesome. I'm waiting, and it's, look, let's be honest. When do you sell? Like AMC goes to, let's just say AMC goes to 1,000, right? Hypothetically, let's just pretend it goes over 100. It gets to 1,000. That's when people are going to start selling. But the real ape is going to tell you, hey, you should hold through the 1,000 and we'll go to plus and keep on going. That's going to be up to you. You know, inevitably, that's up to you. So we're going to get to 100 hopefully this week. AMC, baby, I believe this is going down. That's why I got in at first at 12 and I made my first video on AMC on this channel, right? So what's up? Naha Amy, end of day, Doge going back up to 35 cents. Then the end of June, 56 cents. Going to be a lot of FOMO, right? Fear of missing out. SpaceX Robinhood tweeted they're about to release the wallet soon, man. Oh, that's awesome. When did this tweet happen? Oh, that's wonderful news. We're waiting on that. Yes, guys. So look, I'm telling you right now, I've been saying Bitcoin is on a major sale. When Bitcoin's on a good sale, Dogecoin's on a sale, Ethereum's on a good sale, because in my opinion, in the future, it's all going to be up, okay? It's pumping, or now this is real. This is This is actually real time as far as I know. But if you look at the way the Bitcoin chart is looking, it's lining up with Bitcoin as well. So that's what's going on. I'm glad I got on here right now. Oh, let me just put this out, this post. So, yeah, guys, this is fun. This is awesome. We're all here right now, and we're watching this on a holiday today. CRX Joe still holding. Baby bought more. Thank you, Joe. I appreciate that. I'm waiting on my next YouTube payment. I got dry powder. I got my portfolio here locked up, and I can't like I wanted to sell some stonk and get out of it, and it won't let me right now, but whatever. So I gotta wait till Monday. So that's awesome. Congratulations, CRX Joe. I appreciate that super chat. And congratulations. Happy Father's Day to you. So what is up, everybody? This is great. We're just waiting here. I think this was a major sale again. And like 3 weeks ago, it went on sale when it dropped, because it did drop. Dogecoin did drop, and Bitcoin is eventually going past 40, and it's going to stay above 40 for a long time when that climb comes. And we're going to see what happens as more news gets made, and time just continues to go on. And cryptocurrencies 24/7. A lot of people are, I believe, at one point were selling Doge. That's why it dropped like it's dropped now. And other people were shorting it, and they were getting in on AMC for an opportunity, okay? So it's people's prerogative what they do. I don't bash anybody. I don't do any of that nonsense when people sell and stuff like that. So that's their prerogative what they do. It's their decisions. But what I'm doing is I'm holding Dogecoin right now, baby. You know I love it, and I'm in it, and I'm in it to win it, baby. CRX Joe, thank you. Trying real hard to get up to 100,000 Dogecoin. I appreciate that, Joe. I appreciate all the super chats. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's going to be an amazing day for you. I'm not going to get there to 100,000 unless this week it stays in the 20s, and then I can make a move, because I got to do some banking to get that. I gotta go in, and then I gotta talk to the wife, you know? So, yeah, guys, this is really awesome, though. And I still have my position on my portfolio where I'm in under a penny, and I'm keeping that. That's my, like, proud moment there, where I'm in under a penny. I want to keep that. So, guys, yeah, a lot of you guys are dads. That's what's up. Happy Father's Day. Doge Papa's in the building. Doge, that's right. Yeah, that must be an amazing thing to actually be a dad, you know? It's probably one of the hardest jobs on earth that I could imagine. I could only imagine, because I got cats, and it's hard to be a cat daddy sometimes. You always gotta be. I'm always looking as I'm talking. I see my two cats on the right. What's up, guys? You want to say Happy Father's Day to me in meow language? Probably not. They're just looking at me talking. So, yeah, guys, this is great. Dogecoin is on an amazing sale, in my opinion, especially at where we're at, because where we can go is like AMC, unimaginable heights, as that guy was quoted as saying. Why not? No, there's no rule on any of this, okay? I know the numbers, and if it goes to $7 and $8, it'll be $1 trillion market cap, but nobody can really see what's going to happen in the future. So something unbelievable and amazing can happen with Elon Musk and the devs. They might do something that we can't even fathom. We can only speculate, and it's going to add to Dogecoin's explosion past $1 when it gets past $1. Now, here's the challenge. Even when you're in Bitcoin right now, if you're in Bitcoin higher, maybe you got in at 40. Actually, me. Hey guys, you're talking to a guy that is down on Bitcoin right now. I got a new position on Bitcoin 3 weeks ago at 40. I thought it was 41. It's just about $42,000. I put 12 grand into Bitcoin at $42,000. Do I sound nervous to you right now? Because I'm not. Because I know that investment is going to explode when Bitcoin is like 200,000 one day, 300,000. I'm holding. I'm not playing, guys. That is the future for me. I'm holding on to that Bitcoin right now, unless something changes. Because I did get a smaller position in Bitcoin in the past, and we got in at first on March 2020, and I did sell out of a position to average up on Dogecoin at one point. But there was a small fractional share position, nothing worth talking about. But $12,000 is a lot of money to me, straight up and down. That's a lot. A lot of money to someone is, maybe to someone, like I always say, $12,000 isn't that much money. To me, that's a hell of a lot of money. So your boy SPACEX is holding on to that. Dogecoin, there's a lot of buyers right now because it's just a beautiful sale. And there's other things probably going on that we can't even predict at the moment. Why is Bitcoin going up? Why is Bitcoin pumping? There's a lot of things. There's a lot of reason why these things happen. Samantha Mitchell in the building. What's going on? I hope you're having a great weekend. To the end of the weekend here, my time, 4:37 p.m. coming out of New York. What is up, guys? So, yeah, it bounced off 25. Yes, Dogecoin was at 25 about like a month ago. It seems like now, the way time's flying. And it went down, it dipped, and then it ripped. Okay, so eventually it's going to happen. I don't see how it doesn't. I know there's a lot of people out there, bears, spreading that fear that Bitcoin is a Ponzi scheme. I mean, this is just ridiculous stuff. All right, and it's going to go down to nothing. Do these people actually expect us to believe this nonsense? I mean, who is believing this? CRX Joe, thank you so much. Another super chat. You got to get a horn for that. Let me get that out. And another one. I appreciate that. CRX Joe is in a great position. He's holding his Doge. Crypto in the past has always done good. In July, your Bitcoin will be back up soon, brother. Thank you so much, CRX Joe. Yeah, I know. Joe, I'm not even worrying about it. I really, like I always say, when Dogecoin does good, Bitcoin does good, and vice versa. Because when Bitcoin does good, it's always like seemingly all the cryptos do good. So I have a belief personally that Kathy Wood says $500,000. Another person that works in finances, I forget their name right now, they're a pretty big deal, and they believe Bitcoin will one day be over $250,000, something like that. That's his prediction, and within 5 years or something like that. I tend to go more with, hey, let's get it to 100,000. So I'm gonna say it's gonna be over 100,000. That's why I invested in it, and my expectations are really high, just like with Dogecoin. 10 years from now, some people predict that Bitcoin will be $1 million per coin. Like, for real. I've read articles, I've read comments on this from people that are, talking behind the scenes. And then I would say that Dogecoin at that point in time would definitely be 25, at least 10 plus. I'm not talking about 10 cents, $10 plus. We'll see what happens, guys. Of course, when you invest in things, like everyone knows here that's an investor, there is risk with investing, and it's those people that risk that get the rewards at the end of the day, that get the rewards, and that give the bear the swords. The bears get the swords because we will get the rewards. Definitely AMC, I want it to be over 100. I don't know when it's going to happen, but I think it's going to be at least 2 weeks more for it to get to 100. About 2 weeks to 3 weeks. I'm hoping it happens this week. It depends. You read a lot of things that this is going to happen, a gamma squeeze, and this one's shorting, and the dates are up, and it's going to be $100 in 2 days and 3 days. I see all these people talking, and who knows, right? But inevitably, ultimately, I think that AMC will be over $100 per share. Beyond. That's what I want to see happen, and we'll see what people do. I know I'm holding AMC, and I always invest what I can afford, like I said. So if something doesn't go as planned, I will still have my portfolios in command. You know what I'm saying? Absolutely. I'm drinking some nice Starbucks Italian espresso, guys. Once again, CRX Joe, thank you for all the support, brother, and happy Father's Day again to you. I really appreciate the super chats. Thank you so much. What's up, Y2Fly and Max L? Thanks for rocking the Space Donks merch. You are awesome, brother. Hey, if we get this channel bigger one day, I guess, you know, maybe I'll just have to get you a piece of merch and sign the damn thing and send it to you for free for all the support, you know? Well, you know, I'm gonna go to Europe, so we'll see what happens. Y2Fly, what is up, baby? Sup, Stonks, how you doing? Hey guys, if you're a little scared, I don't think there is reason to be really panicking. This is the shorts, this is the robots, this is even with AMC, they have computers, they have algorithms. The manipulation is extraordinary from what I can see. Extraordinary. It's an emotional game, and eventually Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and AMC are gonna reign with money and cause bears pain. They know what they're doing. These algorithms are so sophisticated. They will literally sell off on a dime. They'll start selling off and dropping and make us, the retail sellers, they're like, we can withstand this drop. And then the shorting will continue, and then they expect the retail investor to follow suit and sell, and then they get all our coin and stonks cheap. That's just what is going on. And then you have unique sort of creature, an ape. You have a unique sort of new world, what do I say? No, modern world creature, being us retail investors that are gonna hold and mess up their game plan, mess up their algorithms, if so to speak. So yeah, I'm not playing. I'm seriously holding on. And you know, if you make adjustments to your portfolio and you sell some Doge to get AMC or Bitcoin, I'm not mad at you. But look at the sale right now. It's a great sale. So I think HODL, hold on for dear life, and I think this is a big opportunity, and I'm pumped up. Honestly, I'm really pumped up about AMC. I want to see what AMC does this week. I know some of you are in on AMC, right? As well. Harlem Fashion, we ain't never selling, we holding to the moon. That's right, baby. I've seen a video, a bloke bought 2 pizzas for 10,000. Scotty, hey, you got to be from the UK, right? Yo, hey, Scott, share this link. Come on, with some of your UK people in Europe. That is hilarious. I seen a video of a bloke brought 2 pizzas for. Can I try to read this in a British accent? I'm bad at it. I gotta work on it. I seen a video of a bloke bought 2 pizzas. No, I can't do it. For 10,000 Bitcoin when it was very low, and then he watched the price nice to 80K. Oh man, rise to 80K. You meant. Oh, that's crazy. CRX Joe, thank you so much. Good vibes about July. People, don't sell, just buy more. I will pay off. I'm holding Doge community. We got this. It will pay off. It will pay off. Thank you, CRX Joe. I didn't say you will pay off. I said it at first. I read it wrong. Joe says just buy more. It will pay off, meaning Dogecoin, right? I'm holding Doge community. We got this. Yo, Joe. No doubt about it, this is gonna pay off. Joe, I really believe it. Like I was telling people, even at 35 and 36, if they got in and they put like 10 grand in, they're still gonna get a lot of money. In my opinion, down the line, they're gonna make some really good money as it rises, and they can always choose what they want to do after that. So really interesting, guys. Really positive stuff going on here. I'm pumped up though. I feel the future for Dogecoin is still rocking. It's going to be shocking, and in a good way. I think Elon Musk is definitely doing some amazing stuff. I think Elon Musk is working hard, really, and when he does inevitably accept Dogecoin as Tesla payment, he's going to be able to back it up and be proud of it and say, hey, this is why I have it as Tesla. It's a payment because it's so green, it's so lean, and he worked on it. And yeah, you know, all that good stuff, guys. Max L says, I'm Dutch from the Netherlands. So guys, yeah, this is really fun times. I'm looking at the sentiment now over at StockTwits, and it's on AMC. It's gonna go up more, I think, this week. People are really high on what AMC is gonna do. It's a little down comparatively where it was before. What it says pre-market AMC 0 up 19 cents. So we're waiting for that. As you know, it's at 59.26. It closed over on Friday. So yeah, and I would really be surprised if Dogecoin doesn't ever get past $1. I don't see how that happens. I'm looking for my bottle of water. Here it goes. I got the Mars water. Let me just take a real quick sip of this. Yeah, guys, so look at how Bitcoin's going up. It's amazing, isn't it? How it definitely mimics it. Bitcoin is definitely going to go up. Yo, what's up from Chucks from Nigeria? What's going on, baby? We got the Netherlands. We got the UK in the building, I think. All right, look, we got Europe in the building. We got Nigeria in the building. We got people coming in from all over the world into these live streams. And it is really an amazing thing where the technology allows everybody to get together, fellow investors. Maddie says, you got a kid that's 2.5 years old? I'm scrolling up a little bit to see if I miss any comments. Hey, congratulations. Once again, all the dads, pat yourselves on the back. That is awesome. France in the building, what's going on? NYC, what is up? Mana King in the ring with the Dogecoin bling. What is up, baby? So yeah, I'm growing this channel. This is a work in progress, this channel. You know, I can't believe it. I just started this channel, a couple months ago. 5 months ago. So this channel is not even a half a year old yet. So just having a good time. And we're going to see where our investments go and where the future takes us. I think we're going to experience some really good, awesome experiences. I can't wait to Doge Mission 1. It's going to be an amazing thing. Indiana, what's going on? Indiana in the building. I know Joe is representing. Osceola, Indiana. Am I saying that right? Yeah, Joe has been in here at so many live streams. We've been here before. We've been into this so many times. We were here at 4 or 5 cents, rising up. Dogecoin just exploding, doing its thing, and it's going to be great. And another glorious comeback for Dogecoin as Dogecoin fights its way back up, and there's more buyers for higher. And yes, the bears will continue to perspire. I believe it. I don't see how this all doesn't correct. You know, it's a nice consolidation now with Bitcoin, but eventually it's going to work itself out where it goes back up. We got into a really weird time with the China news and the Elon Musk pulling it out, suspending Tesla payment for Bitcoin. That's when this all started. The crypto season started all going down. And I think it's all going to come back. I was predicting 2022 would be huge for crypto. Let's see if I'm right. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so I'm really pumped up about the future of cryptocurrency. I'm not worried on these down days. And I know there's a lot of people that get scared out of their positions. It's human nature. That's what's going on. CRX Joe, thank you so much. Got that right, brother. I appreciate all the super chats. I appreciate that, CRX Joe. CRX Joe is a part of this Dogecoin community here, and feeling like we're going to be in a really good place a couple years out, especially, right? Like huge with Dogecoin gains. And, I don't see, like Joe, for real, I don't see how this doesn't go to all-time high again. Of course it will. I believe it. You believe it. That's why we're here. That's why we're in it. And Bitcoin, like you said, cryptocurrency tends to do really well in July. I think you're right. Doge Mission 1 incoming. Tristan Wall, what's up? Yeah, can I get 100 likes? Jano Gaming, what's up? Misfit, what's going on? King Misfit. 100 likes would be nice. You know, we are going to be like kryptonite to bears, guys. I'm telling you, it's going to be like good night as we hold tight. And yes, Dogecoin is going to continue to shine bright, just like the diamond. It's going to keep on climbing, and it's not going to be reclining. Okay, it's going to keep on happening. It's going to go. It's going to do its thing. And like I said, I wanted to get on here specifically in the 20s. I got up today. I got to do a live stream as soon as possible because Dogecoin is on a good dip here. And yeah, I want to get on here. I don't want to only come on and do live streams when Dogecoin is seemingly like up. You know what I mean? So I have no problem with getting on here and holding and watching Dogecoin as it is not folding, and I'm not folding. And it's just interesting to watch Bitcoin. And AMC is exciting as well. AMC, I'm in AMC. I made the video at 12, and then I averaged up to my average is $22.13, I believe, right? I showed it on screen a couple times. So my AMC position is golden. Can you imagine if AMC really does get to 1,000 per share? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What would happen? People would lose it. Yeah, let's get some people to share the stream. That's right. There's a lot of there's a lot of new Dogecoin investors or looking to get in on Dogecoin, and they're missing this opportunity. I get it's a nice out. A lot of people are chilling, outside partying, whatever the case is. In my humble opinion, I think that Dogecoin is going to be a lot of people that had the chance to get in cheap are going to miss. And then when it starts to rip again, they're going to be looking to get in at 50 cents, 60 cents as it rises up. Hey, one day, inevitably, where we think it's going to go, 50 cents will look pretty cheap, right? Slitterbox, Stonks, what up, brother? Just picked up 4K more Doge, baby. Hey, congratulations. That's what's up. You got a good deal. You got, for real, I believe you got a good deal. I think this is a really good time and a really good place and a really good space. Bitcoin, where, hey, technically, if Bitcoin does what we think it's going to do in July, start to climb higher and get out into the 40s, you know, Ethereum, you know, Dogecoin, you know, Litcoin are following. So we're looking really good. I was looking at some bearish posts, negative posts, and they were saying, oh, Bitcoin's going to go back up and Dogecoin won't recover with it. They're already wrong, okay? Those people that were writing that, those bears, they know what they're doing. They want to get your coin cheaper. They want that coin cheap so they can reset button, hit a reset button where most of you got in, or some of us got in low, and they want to hit that reset button to make it go down and get in and then pump it. You know, long term, what's up, James Adams? How you doing? Thank you for coming in here. Dollar Doge for July is inevitable. That's what Mauricio Benavides says. What's up, Mauricio? I do recognize your name for sure. I think I owe CRX Joe one more horn. Thank you for all the super chats, CRX Joe. I appreciate it, baby. So, yeah, guys, we are here. It's a great end to a weekend here where a lot of people were looking to get in. They were looking to get Dogecoin on a sale. Who doesn't like sales, right? For real, who doesn't like sales? So, look, if you're in Dogecoin or any other coin or AMC and you're looking to get in and you see it dip down, you're not mad, you're not scared, you're not worried. It's an opportunity. It's an opportunity. So when Bitcoin dipped down to 41,000, I thought that was a big opportunity for me to get in, back in actually. And that's when I got in. And I almost got, I think, a quarter now. That works out to almost a quarter of a Bitcoin for me. So we're going to see what happens. If Bitcoin went down to 30 again, you know, Doge would slip and Ethereum would slip. And then, you know, there'd be more buying opportunity because eventually this is all going to go back up. News are going to change eventually in the future, within 5 years. Politically, things change, and that dictates the markets as well, as everyone knows. All of this is going to change. The world constantly is evolving, and things are going to move for the betterment, in my opinion, for cryptocurrency. And stonks, there's going to be so many opportunities with stonks. Now with AMC, that's a different animal because it is a stonk, right? It's a stock. So I don't trust the news. If I read bad news, it's going up. And if I read good news, it's going down. Yeah, Max L, for real. Who knows what's going on, right? So seriously, listen though. If you just project like what AMC is going to do, I was talking about AMC. At some point, that huge squeeze is going to come on AMC. It's supposedly going to come. And then nobody really, I don't hear a lot of people talking about it. No one wants to talk about selling AMC. But where is that sweet spot with AMC? Like, where is that sweet spot? Nobody really knows, you know? So you got to really careful what you do. CRX Joe, I almost sold to buy a Mercedes SLK, but I'll hold, get rich, and buy a Tesla truck. That's what's up, baby. Joe, Joe, I was looking at my gains on Doge at one point. I was like, oh my God, that's another whole Kia Rio car that I have. And then I was like, oh my God, I think I have enough gains to buy a Tesla. And I'm like, you know what? I'm holding this bad boy because thank you for the super chat. I know, I'm thinking the same way. And I said, I'm going to hold this because what's important to me is a future with more capital so I can do things and invest in things and, be safe, financially secure, right? So I said, is the car going to make me financially secure? So if I let's pretend I sold most of my Dogecoin and I'm showing you right now, on Twitter, here's my new car. Here's my new Tesla I bought with Dogecoin. But then I have like nothing left. You know what I'm saying? So I'm like, that's just a piece of metal. So I can literally hold on to this and I can get real money. We're talking about real money, right? Like serious, secure, living financially smart, maybe buy a piece of real estate money, maybe buy a house and then have another property on the side that I can rent out to people money and still keep Dogecoin because it goes so damn high. So, yeah, I feel you, CRX Joe. Instead of buying that Mercedes SLK, you just went, I'm going to hold that and maybe buy a Tesla truck. So maybe you'll have that Tesla truck and then you'll have so much more money. You'll have so much money that you can literally buy a whole nother house or something like that. You know what I'm saying? So we'll see how this plays out. I definitely feel you, though. I really am there with you. I really am. If you buy a car, now it's a good buy. Maxell, still up like crazy. I've been you know what? I like my car. My car is definitely dependable. It's reliable. And, I'm just rather have the money in my portfolio than have a new car or anything and have some security, So that's what I'm doing. I already have a 9-second Honda Del SOL. That's what's up. That sounds super fast. Hey, those new Hondas are dope, by the way. What's up, everybody? It's your boy SPACEX coming at you live. And yes, once again, thank you to CRX Joe for the super chats. I appreciate that so much. We're having a Father's Day special live stream because it is a holiday here in the U.S., Father's Day, and in other parts of the world. I know some people, I have extended family and they live in Europe, and Mother's Day and Father's Day are different days. So that's why I say, like in the U.S., as far as Father's Day goes. How you doing, baby? So yeah, we're celebrating here. And we're also consolidating, and we got a nice super sale here, guys. That is crazy. Hey, happy Father's Day to all the fathers in this platform. Sparkle, what's up? So, when is Bitcoin going back to 41,000? And let's just say it did go to 41,000 the other day, and 40, almost I think 42-ish. Is it going to go back down? It's going to take some time here, and then it's all going to turn around on a dime. Watch. This is how this stuff works. Nobody can really time the market. You can try your best to time the market, but you know what I'm saying? You want to really sit back and watch how this plays out, because I think it's going to go boom. I think that Bitcoin is going to just launch up like a rocket, baby. And news is going to start coming out. There's going to be more news with Dogecoin coming out. We're going to be having an amazing fall, autumn, going into the winter of 2021. And then early 2022, we're going to have SPACEX, guys, launching Dogecoin to the moon. It's going to be crazy. Slitterbox, have a beer and hold your baby if you still can. That's what's up. So yeah, there's a lot of momentum in the future, in the short-term future, because that's not a long time for now. Absolutely. Hey Olivia, how are you? Your dad is super dad, and I'm glad you're having a good time with your dad, listening to your boy Space Donks right here live. And shout out to Olivia and CRX Joe on the go. And yeah, CRX Joe is going to be one day looking at his new car window bought with Dogecoin and then have so much more money, I'm sure. Where, you know, I hope this all works out like I think it works out. So we're going to see what happens. Hey, I appreciate that, King Misfit. So, yeah, guys, so we're all here, you know, we're having a good time, and we're looking at the future, and we have a lot of family members that are actually in the Dogecoin community with Unity, and it's positivity and all that good stuff, because the meme coin is meant to be fun. It's meant to be positive to begin with, to start with. And guys, think about the good fortune if you got in here at 28 cents. Your good fortune that it went back down, or we got to buy more. Unfortunately, I'm straight up. I cannot buy the dips right now. I can't buy the dips as much as I would like to, because I got no dry powder. I got to switch it over for my bank and do all this stuff. And I got tied up Friday in my my portfolios. So after hours, I didn't sell anything and I didn't have any liquid cash in there. I could send some, but I got to talk to the wife and stuff like that. It's a whole thing, you know? So, but I got a lot of Dogecoin. I'm happy with my positions. I got a lot of Bitcoin for now. I got a lot of Bitcoin, about 1/3, just about. So everything is all good. Let's get stocks to 100 likes. Thank you, CRX Joe. I know, CRX Joe, you got massive Dogecoin as well. I appreciate that. Appreciate all the super chats, CRX Joe. Thank you so much. You're too kind. Enjoying that Father's Day there with your daughter, Olivia. I really appreciate it. So guys, what's up? It's your boy Space Donks coming at you live from New York. And yeah, the Dogecoin community is still intact. Believe it. There's a lot of us out there that are still holding. A lot of us that are believers. A lot of us that are proud of our Dogecoin investment. And yeah, absolutely. Big things coming up with AMC this week. It's going to play out very curious. I might do a couple of early AMC live streams and wrap up with Dogecoin night live streams when I can, when I'm not working. I will get over to the computer and in my free time and make time for that. Iraq in the building. What's going on? From Governor Raint. What's going on, baby? We got Iraq in the building. I think I've seen you here before, actually. I don't know where to go. I'm glad you got a wife that supports crypto to the moon. Ian, thank you so much if you're talking about me. I appreciate that. Rob B, what's up? What's up, Stonks? Happy Sunday, brother. Hope you're having a great day. You as well. If you're a dad, happy Father's Day to you. I appreciate that. Yeah, guys, you know, I'm just ready. I'm ready for the next story. I'm ready for the next piece of Dogecoin and cryptocurrency glory. I'm ready for another leg up. I'm ready for another surge. But, you know, I will take these sale days and just take them like a champ, like nothing. Like, hey, okay. You know, a lot of you might have Dogecoin early, and you might see your Doge go, or you might have seen it go from like a $50,000 profit or 60 down to like a $25,000 profit or whatever. And you're looking at it like, this ain't nothing. I'm not worried. You know, that's where the diamond hands and golden arms kicks in. So, you know, we're all here. We're doing it up. And I think in the long term, we're all going to be fine. Like I keep saying, you know, the good thing is Elon Musk hasn't really tweeted directly about Dogecoin in a while now. It seems like a long time. And Dogecoin has its own legs at this point. It's doing its own thing, and it's matching up with Bitcoin as usual when Bitcoin takes that dip. Yeah, it went down under 30, it did. And last time it did that, it went up quicker. But here we are. It's taking a little bit longer to go back up, but it's, like I said, creating opportunities. Heck yeah, Ian, what's going on? Heck yeah, let's go, Stonks. Let's go. Hope everybody can be in their position. To see the dips, buying opportunities, $5 now instead of coffee could literally be your rent in a year. Yeah, that's true. Hey, you got a good point there. That is true. You could put $5 into this, and boom, it's a couple $100, right? When this thing is mooning in the future. I gotta, I got my wife is actually at work right now. I gotta get on the phone with her because when you're married, you gotta make these decisions together. So I gotta say, hey baby, can I take a couple more grand and buy some more Dogecoin like now? I gotta talk to her. Hold on, let me make this call live right now. Let me call her job up. No, I'm just joking. I can't do that. Believe me, I'm crazy enough to do it, but she wouldn't like this. She wouldn't like this. Whole fam, what's up, baby? Frank and Tony's New York. Red Onion. Oh, that you get smart. You get people to read your brand when they say your name. I like it. Huh. How come there's no talk about Amazon soon anymore? Well, I saw one misinformation. I don't know. Someone literally just. Sometimes people just literally get a lie to get a click on this YouTube. Amazon, we've talked about it in every live stream. But, we know BitPay. There's backdoors to getting Amazon to accept Doge or use BitPay. Sorry. But yes, I think eventually Jeff Bezos does accept cryptocurrency. This is all coming into play. It's all being done now. I think inevitably Amazon accepts trusted cryptocurrencies that are most famous and popular, meaning Dogecoin. And when Amazon finally does that, and or a lot of other businesses that are very famous and streaming services would already have done that. So in other words, let's just say tomorrow Netflix picked up cryptocurrency payments, right? Then Amazon would be more likely to get in quicker. Jeff Bezos, when they look at the stats, they'll look at how much it's utilized. These CEOs want our money quick. They're not stupid, baby. They know what's going on. So Ian says, my fiance loves Doge. My mom loves Doge. Elon loves Doge. That's 3 good people. Yeah, baby. Absolutely. If you got a billionaire who literally tweets and moves the entire crypto market liking Dogecoin, he's probably just waiting to do something huge. Like he's Elon Musk has already done a lot of things for Doge. Let's be honest about that. We all know that. Elon Musk put Dogecoin on the map. So what does he have in store next? He doesn't like to lose. He likes to win. The guy's a winner. So I think Elon Musk wants to eat all those bears for dinner. I think he's going to push Dogecoin literally already to the moon, and we're going. And I think he's going to be working a lot more on it. And why am I not buying more right now? If Google would send that payment to me, right, it's not time yet. I can do it with my Google money. Red, yeah, that's a funny name. It is. Satellites running Dojo for Doge. Yeah, I was checking out something, and some people just making stuff up. Some people are literally like, Max L says, sorry, about Amazon. They're literally like, oh, Amazon has got a deal with Dogecoin right now. They're just lying. They spin things. You know what I'm saying? Like they're in someone was doing that. I still have to put my sneaker money in it. I need sneakers, man. Yo, I don't have a new pair of sneakers. I haven't went out shopping in a while. That's what I was saying. That's what I was always saying. I'd rather put my sneakers money into this stuff. I'd rather put my jeans into this, my jean money, going out, chilling money. I'd rather put it into Dogecoin from the day one, when it all begun. Rumors going down that billionaire is gonna be involved with. Let's write that. There's a lot of rumors about Doge. I want good rumors. Billionaire. Let's see what that would be crazy. You never know. I mean, look what happened with El Salvador, right? We don't know what's going to happen. What one country, then another country jumps aboard, then another country, and then inevitably, eventually, a lot more. So with Bitcoin, that is, you never know they go and grab Dogecoin as well at some point, because it's smaller, it's faster, it's greener, it's leaner. You know, who knows? Who knows? It's anything's possible. You know, it's all good, Max. I'm reading it and I'm like, am I misreading something? You don't have bad English, my friend, at all. Believe me, I look up to people that could speak multiple languages, period. Not only are you speaking in another language, Maxell, you're writing in another language, you know. So who am I, you know, or anybody else to look down or frown upon someone? I look up to that, actually, when people speak more than one language. Actually, I'm still working on my Spanish, I'm working on my Polish, and I'm working on a little bit of Italian. I got a lot of languages to learn. Little by little. You know? I speak what's called New York Spanglish pretty good, I think. Italy, go Doge, yes, grazie, grazie. Prego, prego. Giuseppe, Millie. What's up, baby? I can't wait to go back to Italy. Those are the words I can really go. Manja, manja. Much Max Portuguese to my friends. What's going on, Ian, Max. Much love to Max and Portuguese to my friends. Yeah, that movie's reading, gaming, and your stream helped me too. Hey, Max, that's awesome. That makes me feel really good, baby. My stream is actually helping you learn English better. Hey, not only are you writing properly, you're putting your comments in the right places and spaces. Damn, Max, you're really smart. You know, my wife speaks 3 languages, just about. She's like, I would say she's up to 3.5. Yeah, she's like brilliant. Unfortunately, a lot of my American friends here in New York, unless they were brought up speaking another language, which a lot of them were, they're lucky. Some of us weren't, you know, lucky enough to learn another language like myself. I literally got to spend time in certain countries and pick it up. Or around my friends that do speak, a lot of my friends speak fluent Spanish, and they have failed to teach me Spanish as much as I would like to. I should know a lot more. A lot more. Like I said, I know New York Spanish, you know? Ven aquí, papi. Ven aquí, mami. Oh, man. So what's up? It's your boy SPACEX, and we are hanging out. Dogecoin investors, perhaps some AMC investors, Bitcoin. I know a lot of people, Bitcoin is very expensive. There's fractional shares. And, wow, is Dogecoin not on a blazing hot sale right now? Can it touch 25 again? I always ask someone that. Do you think Dogecoin could literally get down to 25 cents again? I said, yeah, I believe it. And, you know, these are opportunities in my estimation. Rob B, thanks. Got to take a lot of balls to salute to you multi-language folks. Absolutely. Dutch, English, and German, that's what's up. I find a lot of people from Europe specifically could speak multiple languages. A lot of people go and they speak English. I say anyone under 50, from my experience, usually speaks English when I'm abroad, which is crazy. I can't say so much for my fellow Americans here. We need to learn more languages. No, but it's awesome, you know? I find it really inspirational, you know, to learn more language, you know, learn more languages. Like I said, I was using Duolingo to learn more Polish. And I started working on my Italian while I was in Rome, and, you know, it's crazy, guys. My family's like from all over the globe. Extended family, you know? So, guys, listen. Here we are. Dogecoin is 28. It's great. We are here. Some people were getting panicked and they thought it was going to just keep going down and down and drown, right? I don't think so. The market cap's too high. It got too much buzz, too much backing. I think that we're really fine, guys. Hey, Maxell, you learned English in school, right? Yeah. Yep, and German. Look, I was taking some French in school. I forgot all of it. I just remember how to say 1, 2, 3. Un, deux, trois. And maybe comment allez-vous or something. I don't remember anything because I took it for 1 semester. Every bodega in New York loves Doge. That's what's up, Michael McFeely. What's going on, baby? New York is where I am broadcasting live from right now at this very minute. You know, it's amazing though, like the other day, if Doge starts to surge, the movement and the momentum and the analytics on my channel, when Doge starts to surge, literally in real time, it was almost like as if YouTube fed the stream out with the ticker going up. The way people were just coming in the room when Doge surged. It was crazy, and it was like, it was a glitch in Robinhood. It was crazy. And just to see something like that spoke volumes to me. I was like, wow. So depending on now where Doge is at, you know, if this was the first time it was going to 28, we would have probably so many people in here right now. But it's all good. I still feel like there's a lot of people in here. Because if, you know, I started this channel with 0 subscribers. I always lose money. I never know. This is according to Crumpled Wig. I always lose money. I never know how to scalp. I'm down 6K. I'm not a financial analyst professionally, but I can tell you that doesn't work. In my opinion, I buy, it works for me, and I hold. When I do sell some stonks and some crypto once in a while, I rearrange my portfolio. But overall, I invest in something I believe in, Crumpled. You might want to do your due diligence and change your strategy. I was saying earlier, you can never time the freaking market. Nobody can. They could try. You're up against algorithms. You're up against seasoned professionals, shorters, the 1%ers, just making money off emotions. Get into something you like. What I would do, just like with Dogecoin, buy and hold, especially at 28. Maybe you want to get some fractional shares of Bitcoin. Maybe you want to buy AMC. I don't know. Nobody can tell you what to do exactly. They can only give you advice and say, I'm not a financial advisor after it. But overall, on all my portfolios, I've never been in the red. Ever. Ever, ever, ever. Yes, I've sold stuff at a negative. For example, I'll just say, I'm making this up, but for an example, I'll buy McDonald's on a Monday at 130 and McDonald's drops to 120, and then I'll sell red because I want to take that money and stick it somewhere else that I see more promising. So once in a while I will sell at red, but overall my entire portfolio, baby, is always up. And I have portfolios. I have made some public on this channel, but not all, not everything. Because when I made the channel, my wife said, don't you dare open up our books on the internet and share your entire portfolio with other people. There's only certain portfolios you could share, and my Robinhood ones are ones that are okay. So yeah, that's what's up, baby. Good luck to you, Crumpled. I would say stay positive. Okay, true. And the whales, I love Doge. I'm gonna wait for another dip and then buy a ton. And sorry, my name is Lauren. Laugh out loud. Okay. So you're down 6K. Is it in Dogecoin? If you don't mind me asking, are you down in Dogecoin, Lauren? Al in Chi-Town, thank you so much for a super chat. A big one. Nice. Appreciate that, Al. Another kind super chat. CRX Joe, shout out to you earlier in a super chat from Al in Chi-Town. Boom. Appreciate the love, Al. Happy Father's Day to Al in Chi-Town. Happy Father's Day. Good dad right there, doing his thing. And he's shared publicly here that he's looking out for his son and his grandkids. That's what's up, baby. So congratulations, Al in Chi-Town, and thank you for a super chat there. Let's read that comment. To Doge or AMC, that is the question. Whether to stock up or coin up, screw it, to do both. Have a 15K pending buy on AMC. Am I nuts? Let me calm my butt down and grab my seat at Stonk's House of Doge. That's what's up, baby. Al, I don't think you're nuts. Absolutely not. I know you're doing controlled, responsible investing. So I know you're doing well, and you know you're gonna take a stab at AMC here. And we were talking about AMC earlier. We were, you know, I was saying I don't see how AMC does not get to 100 plus. I don't think it's gonna happen. Like, it could, but I don't think it's going to happen, unfortunately, this week. I think it might be, you know, a week, 2 weeks from now. But we'll see. We'll see. I don't know. I don't know what these people are doing. The algorithms are monopolizing it. We're going to find out. But eventually, it looks like this squeeze is going to happen. There's such a movement behind it now. And the shorts, the 1%ers up there, the Citadel, all that stuff, they're losing so much money. Can you talk about Doge going up following AMC game squeeze? Sawyer says. Sure, for you, I'll, if you want me to talk about it. Yeah, you know, that's a good hypothesis. That's a good theory. Right now, it's only a theory, right? But it seems, though, I even touched on that earlier, it seems as though a lot of people did sell out of Dogecoin right now, and they're jumping in FOMO over to AMC. It's an interesting thing that's going on here. I mean, we can only look at what's going on online, where people are talking in forums and stuff like this. Continuously, comments are going in and going. So you read and you get an idea of what people are doing. So let's just say this squeeze happens, right? Boom. Let's just say it happens. Let's just say, for argument's sake, it happens at AMC because it sounds good. $1,000 squeeze. And then let's say it hits 1,000 and it starts to drop. Oh my goodness, like quick. And some people will be left holding bags, unfortunately. Let's just say that happened. I think a lot of the people that end up having a lot of money, a lot of gains on AMC, they got in early like us, they're going to go over to Dogecoin, the ones that weren't in on Dogecoin, and some that were already in and might have positions still on Doge, and they're going to load the freaking boat, because guess what, guys? We are going to the freaking moon first quarter 2022. If you think that pump with SPACEX is going to create some type of dump, I don't think so. I think that's going to be a very key moment in Dogecoin history, and definitely meme culture and everything else as it goes to the moon and it's flying. Oh my God. Do you remember what happened after Elon Musk recorded Tesla out in outer space? Moon, baby, moon. It went moon after that. It just led up to bigger and better things. To what, 2000 split basically. It was crazy what happened. I don't remember the exact numbers, and I'm in on Tesla, by the way. And I was in on Tesla October 2018. I was in when it was low. People were calling me crazy, saying I was going to lose money, and it was a pipe dream. Okay, so Crumpled Wig shared, I'm down with 1,800 on Doge. My average was too high. The rest were losses. Okay, and you have some crypto. What was your average on Dogecoin? What was high? What was high to you? 50? And you sold it? Because other people in here could definitely give you advice as well. You know, your boy SpaceX is not a financial advisor, but yes, I could tell you that maybe your high position on Dogecoin wasn't really that high. Because this thing is going to end up going higher. So, you know, it's all about what you do. And like I said, if you're trying to scalp, in my opinion, I don't do the scalping game so much. Sorry, my computer is acting nuts, Alan Shytown says. Alan Shytown, that $15,000 going over to, first of all, good luck. I think it's going to be fine. I think where AMC is at, we closed almost at 60. I put in stock twits, by the way. We're closing at 60. And damn it, I was a few cents short. How did that happen to me? Damn it, my prediction was wrong. But no, it was pretty close. So I think that, yeah, I got Space Donks over at stock twits. Yeah, I think seriously, I think that there's going to be so much opportunity, guys. I think that in the long term here, that Dogecoin, like Twitter, because I'm actually getting my Twitter link. I almost said I think Twitter's going to recover. I think Dogecoin, as Bitcoin recovers, Dogecoin is definitely going back up. There's so much great, awesome, much wow catalyst going on. Yeah, I think that you're gonna. I think many people are going to be very pleased. Nothing has changed from here, from where I'm sitting. You know, I don't see how Dogecoin isn't a good buy here. Even like I said, when in 35, 36, I think is really good opportunities to get in with Doge, because Doge is going to be several dollars from where I'm sitting in the future. I have to play it by ear, see what's happening pre-market. Hey, Johnny B, thank you so much. That boy stonks. What's good, brother? Did buy more Dogecoin today. Unfortunately, I haven't bought more Dogecoin today, and I'm being straight up. I need to. I need to. There's a reason why I haven't, and it involves me getting more money into my I would have to sell. I don't want to sell any Bitcoin right now because I did that already. I have to talk to the wife and get some money over. But I want to. Thank you so much for the super chat. You know, look, by sundown, I'm going to do it. I'm going to grab. As a matter of fact, I'm going to just do it. I'm going to buy more Dogecoin. I did this once in a live stream. I averaged up. I'm going to buy more Dogecoin right after this live stream. So in a selfish way, I'm hoping it stays under 30 until the live stream ends. Because it's going to go back up, guys. And Johnny B, thank you so much for the super chats. Again, Alan Chi-Town, Johnny B, CRX Joe, thank you so much for the super chats. Max L, you know I always thank you. Thank you so much for the support. The merch, awesome. You've helped the channel. Thank you so much. But yeah, guys, I really appreciate the support. Yo, Johnny B, did you get more Doge today? I'm assuming you did. It sounds crazy that I'm not. Maybe I'm greedy and I wanted to go to 25 now. It's dipping. Yes, I'm gonna definitely grab more. I'm gonna grab more because I look at the losses when I'm down in a negative. Just like when Doge went on Saturday Night Live, I was up, I forget at the time, I was on screen. I was up like 50 grand, let's just say, and it started dropping literally in like 20 minutes, like to 7-8 grand. And I'm like, oh, even though that's a lot of money for me, I'm like, oh my God, I just only 7 or 8 grand, no problem. See, because I have the belief one day that Dogecoin is going to be very high. So I want to see, well, I know it's going to fly. So as time passes by, I'm just going to wait and chill, okay? I'm not worrying about it. Because initially I got in under a penny, and then I averaged up, and it was with money I can afford to lose. Would it be absolutely stupid? Yes. If Dogecoin, I had all that gain in a Dogecoin one day, went back down to zero. But I know it's not going to go back down to zero. I don't believe that. Would it be stupid? Yeah, kind of maybe to some people, but for me, I was in it from day one with money I could afford to lose, with more of a I like to be in the community type of thing. Just like I got into AMC because I have the nostalgia feeling. I know people in the film community. I'm an artist myself. I know, all from independent film producers, directors, actors, writers, directors, you name it, I know it. I know someone personally in the arts and somebody and people that have jobs in the film industry, even from AMC, AMC manager, my wife and I know an AMC manager or AMC movie theater, a person that is young and they need the job. You know what I'm saying? So we definitely support AMC. So on those investments, on these types of investments, it's emotional, yes, but it's also because I believe in it too, But then I have other investments like Starbucks, and Starbucks, a new position. I doubled my money once at Starbucks from 2018 to 2019. But another emotional thing. Can I tell you guys? I met my wife in a Starbucks. Just saying. All right. And I love coffee. That's how I met her. I love coffee. So for sure, it's going back up at Space Donks. It's dipping. Max L says, and as Bitcoin, if Bitcoin goes back down to 34. I expect Doge to hit 27-ish again, maybe 33, maybe. It'll go down to 27 again. I don't know if we're going to see 26 again in the next 24 hours. We'll see. Johnny B says, I didn't actually have my eyes on XRP, and I bought some more of it. I have fair share of Doge. Good. Yeah, and Johnny B, I know it. Thank you so much, because Johnny B, you're in a lot of these live streams, baby. Starbucks loves SL. What's up, baby? SL, how you doing? Yeah, totally, Johnny B, absolutely. A lot of you guys are smart. A lot of you guys are diversifying your portfolios, which is really smart because, I know some people that literally would put all $1 in one shot. I know my tickers just froze up on me, didn't they? I know some people, they would literally buy an entire, I'll fix that. They would buy an entire, let's say Bitcoin, and that's it. They wouldn't diversify, And by the way, when I say I know people, those people, I don't really know them personally. I should have said, I misspoke. I know them online, I'll go back and forth, private message, maybe once in a while, stock twit, stuff like this. They'll show their screenshot, just Bitcoin. Personally speaking, my strategy is I diversify. I diversify. And just in case, it balances all that. See, that works for me. Over the last few years, like I said, thankfully, knock on wood, all my portfolios are up. I have more than one. They're always up over all of them. Sorry about that, what I just did there. I gotta fix this. I'm trying to put the new ticker in. Yeah, so over the years, I've been doing pretty good with my portfolios. Up all the time. Overall, even on the worst days, even when we had a Black Swan event. And that's when the wife and I went shopping. I taught her how to invest as well. I taught her what was going on. And she made some amazing, blazing, unbelievable moves on the market that were like, wow. I was even impressed with her selections and what she has done with her portfolio overall, the one she works with alone. I was like, oh, wow, go wifey, go wifey. But I introduced her to Dogecoin. I'm the one that found Dogecoin in this family, baby. Hey, what's up, Garcia? How you doing, baby? So let me get that Bitcoin ticker up as well so we can monitor what Bitcoin does and how Doge, and maybe you guys are into Ethereum and other coins as well, because look, it's true. What Bitcoin does, these other these other cryptos follow. It does dictate what the other ones do, which is very fascinating. It's another story all on its own. Let me get that ticker in there real quick for you guys. Fresh it up. Yeah, so you could see like it's mimicking it, and when Bitcoin turns up, Dogecoin turns up. Isn't it crazy? It's crazy, guys. It is crazy. It kind of makes you wonder when you see stuff like that. Like, are we living in the Matrix? So what's up, everybody? If you're just getting in here and you're a dad, happy Father's Day. Hey, CRX Joe, thank you for all the support. Have a good night, brother. You too, baby. And happy Father's Day. Yes, I'm the father of 2 cats. I appreciate that, CRX Joe. I'll give you one more horn. Thanks for all the super chats earlier. I appreciate supporting this channel. And good night to you and your daughter, Olivia. Take care of yourself and enjoy your night. I hope to see you in another live stream soon. And to the moon with us. We're doing the right thing, I believe, CRX Joe. I think we're doing it up. At Space Dunks, I just finished reading, adjusting my portfolios. Alan Chi-Town says, I have the high risk one, which I sold off all the junk, and my high dividend one, which I added to. It took 3 dang days. Nice, Al. Congratulations. You said the other day, you said you were making moves in your portfolio. That's a normalcy for an experienced trader like yourself. I find myself doing this every once in a while, maybe once a year, like looking at like a lot of my stonks or whatever and moving them around just as well as my crypto, like I did when I initially had Bitcoin. I sold out of it and I averaged up. I made, I took the money from Bitcoin, from the fractional shares I had a position, and I put it on one portfolio into Doge. I averaged up. I said, to heck with it, I'm going to average up. So yeah, look, if Dogecoin ends up to being several dollars, like we all speculate, and like Jenny Ta, that financial wizard woman, she has her own businesses. She says maybe one day 1 trillion market cap, $7-8. I say plus. We're 28 cents ain't nothing, baby. Ain't nothing. You could still put that sneaker money in that easy money, whatever you like. A couple $100 jeans. If you want to buy, let's say if you want like a Louis Vuitton bag, or maybe you want to use Louis Vuitton bag, or maybe you want to go to the mall and buy some Bath and Body Works, or you want to go to Victoria's Secret, buy your lady something. Those are expensive lingerie. They might cost you 2 pieces like $80, $100. You could take that right now and buy entire Dogecoins. Just saying. Just saying. It's a pain, but it needs to be done. Yeah, Al, you got to stay on top of your finances and stay boss like you are. Big Daddy Al in Chi-Town, boss, pushing around that, what is it, a 1973 Fiat? By the way, that Fiat looked awesome. So, yeah, guys. So, Johnny B says, I'm honestly waiting for my dang tax return from the lousy IRS. It's been about 2.5 months since I filed. Yeah, same. But once I receive it, stocking up on some ADA XRP than buying some dividend paying. You know, that's smart. You know, your boy Space Stonks like tries to do so many jobs. I'm like, what else can I do? What else can I do? What else can I do to make more money? I'm always looking at things I could do to make more money. It's crazy, you know? I couldn't imagine, like, if Dogecoin, let's just say, for argument's sake, did go to $100, like, in 5 or 6 or 7 years. I couldn't imagine having so much money. Well, I could. I wouldn't know what to do with myself. I'm like, well, does this mean I don't have to work anymore? I mean, what? Does this mean I could just chill and kick my feet up? Which I wouldn't do. I would figure out other things to do, because you got to stay busy in life. It keeps one going, you know, and creative, but you'll have more time to spend with your family. You'll have more time to spend on, you know, your artistic endeavors or whatever you're into. Maybe you like fishing. Maybe you like restoring old cars. Maybe you like, you know, whatever it is. Maybe you like to, I don't know, design clothing. Whatever it is that you're into, you'll have a hell of a lot more time to do it, or even start a new professional business venture. Sorry. Maybe you want to be an entrepreneur and open up maybe you want to be a real estate company, and you want to start buying properties now, taking some of your Dogecoin or your profits and become a super boss and just grow more and more wealth. You know, there's so many things you could do. Alex Shoutouts at Space Dunks, my favorite toy of all besides my guitar collection. That's what's up. I bet you got a Fender guitar. I don't know what kind of guitars you got. I don't know too much about guitars, but I remember my dad had guitar collection. And he had a Fender guitar, and he had country guitars and all that good stuff. So that's what's up, baby. So dreams come true, and when you invest, it definitely does change your life. You know, you just gotta, like, it sounds cliche, but you definitely gotta use your due diligence. Do your due diligence. And, you know, you got to be very financially responsible. You know, cryptocurrency is still like the Wild Wild West. You might have heard that before. In a way, it is. We only have really, like I always say, Bitcoin sets the precedent. Bitcoin is the only record, really, of a long-term cryptocurrency. As you know, Dogecoin started right behind it to make fun of it in 2013. There's no 20 years of a Bitcoin pattern. We can't go back like we can with Google and Amazon and any stock ticker that's been around for several decades, actually. We can't do that. So winners sometimes on this cryptocurrency are going to be the ones that get rewarded huge. Big time, baby. That's what you do. What's up, Aiden TV? What's up, Tom Griffin? Welcome to the room. How's it going? Glad to see you guys here. What's up? It's your boy Space Donks, and we are having a good old-fashioned Indian U.S. holiday here called Father's Day. So shout out to all the fathers worldwide, all day. We're enjoying ourselves here. We are watching the rise of Dogecoin again because it went down. It had a nice dip there, and Bitcoin as well. You could see right there on the chart. It looks double. If you took Bitcoin and you make Bitcoin smaller, the same size, you could literally almost just lay it right over that. Look at that. How crazy is that, guys? That's crazy. That's crazy. That makes some people very skeptical too, but I don't get skeptical. I made a video about why it does that, by the way, in a week, and I said Bitcoin to $100,000 plus in that video, because I believe Doge easily $1 plus, Bitcoin $100,000 plus. What's up? Johnny B's says he's kind of doubtful anything really big going to happen with AMC because of all the crooked, shady stuff going on. The 1%ers manipulating the stock. Unbelievable how they can get away with it, right? Which says, it's just really, it's really disgusting. They are desperate and they'll cut corners if need be. Absolutely, they're probably already cutting corners left and right as we hold our AMC tight and we try to say goodnight to those 1%er, Citadel, all that good stuff. You know. What's going to happen? We're going to find out. I think that $100 isn't too much to ask, $100 plus. So someone like Al and myself and you other guys, especially Al, he's got a big buy coming in on AMC. Al, if this gets to 100, Al will be doing very well with that, and he can do what he wants once he figures out what he wants to do when AMC goes over a certain amount of money. Al will look at it and he'll analyze it, and I'm sure he's quite capable of figuring out what he wants to do. Maybe sell out of your original position. I don't know. There's all types of things you could do. Your original investment, and then taking a little gain with you and then leaving the rest in. Who knows? So this way you don't lose any money. But I'm hoping this goes to a few hundred. I'm hoping it beats Game. I'm not invested in Game. I'm invested in AMC. My average is $22 and a couple of pennies. Just need to watch when all the shorts are due. I keep seeing the new ones. I saw some screenshot of all these shorts are due in a date, but it's still, you know, it didn't really move up big time, you know. Al gonna be rich AF, right? Al's gonna be inviting people out on his yacht. Al's gonna be like, yo. All right, guys, come here and go there. I'm renting the yacht for the weekend. Hey, you know, I might be renting a damn yacht too if Dogecoin goes to $100. Is it possible? Some people say I'm crazy. I love the freestyle and stonks. Keep it up. Thank you, Caliber. I didn't even realize, was I doing anything like that in this room today? I appreciate it. Thank you for coming into the room again, baby. Hey, we'll see what Elon Musk does. Imagine if he does put it on that blockchain, or he does something with the devs that's absolutely unbelievable. I mean, it can turn overnight, right? That's the craziest thing about cryptocurrency. But I think Dogecoin will be the king of bling. It will remain to make people sting, especially those bears with all that fear. They're just trying to spread the fear. They're trying to spread that. They're trying to make us yeah. They're trying to make us, hey, if you're here for the first time, make sure you subscribe, smash the bell button, hit like. I know it sounds annoying when YouTubers say that. It must be very annoying. I used to put a graphic up that said subscribe. I took it down because I figured if someone's going to subscribe, actually, they're probably just going to subscribe not because you tell them, but because they want to. So I'm just like, whatever. If someone's going to do something, they're going to just do it. You're not, you know, but, you know, it's good to a reminder once in a while, I guess, but not too much. Yeah, guys, so I'm not worried about Dogecoin right now. I said I'm going to buy some more when I get offline here. I'm going to figure out how much does 200 Dogecoin get you right now. $200 right now. Let's see. I'm going to look. Let's go to Doge. $200 in Dogecoin. Right now, 28. You guys have probably beat me already to it. So it comes to 705 Doge. That's a lot of Dogecoin, guys. I'm telling you, when I wrap this up, it's gonna probably be at 29 when I wrap this up. I hear what you're saying, Alan Chi-Town. Johnny B says, but these people are desperate. Yeah, but I get your point. I'm not gonna read your whole Johnny B. I totally agree. Alan Chi, had it closed at 60 on Friday, it would have been a squeeze. On have to watch pre-market. That will be the big clue. I know. I heard that too. Now, I believe they are definitely, allegedly, but they're doing it, manipulating it. They're scheming, they're scamming. I think there should be definitely handcuffs on some people. How do you make laws, and how do how these laws exist if they're not being exercised? How are they shafting the retail investor? How, you know, these laws are getting broken all the time. Allegedly, we'll see what happens. I'm wrong with the gains begin. Who will have invested in AMC? Yeah, you know, AMC, I want to see it go over 60, close. Hopefully it closes over 58 on Monday. Hopefully it goes to 100 within 3 weeks. And then when we get to 100, if it goes past 100 and people don't start selling it all, and even let's say if it goes to 100 AMC and it closes at 75, I'll be happy. I'll be happy because then we could take that momentum and hopefully move forward over the next few weeks. You know, there's Gamma Squeeze, there's all that stuff. There's all these people talking. I was watching one of those shows the other day. And, you know, they had those two YouTubers on there. You know, I was watching it on CNBC. Very interesting what's going on, but you know they don't know what's going to happen. They just talking, they just making it all up too. They're just talking. The one YouTuber said there's going to be a violent drop. I mean, you know what I'm saying? I mean, yeah, no kidding. At some point, I think so. It's kind of all common sense, really. But the thing is, nobody can really say how much will it be. How much will AMC get to? Exactly. You know, you could take 250, let's say 1,000 people to guess where AMC will go, roughly. Let's say $200, and then have that violent drop, right? And out of all these people, out of the 1,000 people guessing, maybe 1 to 10 will be right. You know, eventually you're going to have someone that's right on point with their guess. So if you guess enough about enough things, something will come true, you know? So it's all speculation. But we could see the momentum. What we do see is we see it's trending up, AMC that is. It's trending up, and we see a movement online here with the apes and all that good stuff. And it looks like it's working, because never has this been done before. Like, there is game. Now you have all these people in the Reddit community. You have people online all at the same time doing something, and it seems to be working, and it can work. And the theory is that it will eventually go higher and higher as the shorts cover. Let's see what's going on. Elon can say whatever he wants about crypto. SEC can't do diddly squat. I hear you, Al. Al, you did say that. Yeah, because it's not like Elon is going buy Doge, buy Doge, buy Doge, and then selling it, right? That would be messed up. That would be, he'd be in trouble. Or stock. He's not literally pumping it and then selling it. If he was, then he, like that, what's that McAfee guy got caught doing that? He was pumping something and then he dumped it, and they proved it. So then that's breaking the law, right? Straight up, publicly. Doge will rise all-time highs, 2 months, 2 years. Yes, I'm in it. I'm in it. I'm holding. I don't care. I don't give a damn. If this thing drops, hey, I'm buying more. I'm gonna get more as soon as I close this live stream. You know what? I might take my super chat, even though I don't physically have it, and put it on top of my banking money and put it into Dogecoin. Right? Like, it's a really good deal right now. Why am I waiting? I said that to myself before I started this stream. I said, watch this start to go up as I'm doing the live stream, yo. I'm trying to get stonks to rap my rhymes. Oh man, it's got to be that type of mood. I gotta listen to something. I gotta go on a roll, you know. All right, how about 100? Let's get to 100 likes. Let's try that. We're having a Father's Day here. Some people want to hear some bars. Some people want to hear a little bit of rhymes. And Dogecoin will pass $10 with much dimes. And the hedge fund 1%ers will continue to commit those crimes with all that manipulation and devastation and the awful financial castration. I can't say certain things, but it rhymes with men's I don't want to say anything, you know, that is a family channel. And Dogecoin will continue to be hot like a Roman candle. And you know, you'll be walking around like Alan Chi-Town around that yacht with a pair of sandals. Yeah, and Dogecoin is the truth. It ain't no scandal. That's why Dogecoin is too hot to handle. And if you want to get in with some fractional shares, just try it. The bears will stare and it's all fair. Yo, that was fire. And you know, the Dogecoin won't perspire or retire. And Dogecoin is flyer, it will go higher. You know what I'm saying? All them bears are sweating like they walking on that live wire, getting electrocuted as they looking for the golden parachutes to be parachuting. And you know they polluting. And as we are rooting for Dogecoin to go back up to the moon, it be shooting. I can't believe I'm doing this right now. Anyway, what's up, guys? Tristan Wall, what's up, baby? It's your boy SPACEX. I gotta get more hype. Maybe I should take a quick break, have another coffee, come back up on this and listen to a quick beat and get up on this and read some stonk news. Let me try to rhyme some stonk news. If I could break down the financials. The bears will unravel as Dogecoin continues to travel. SpaceX, we going up to the stars and Mars. That's right. We going to the moon like Zoom. Things are going to blow up like that old school movie Platoon. Yeah, Dogecoin is coming at you soon. There's going to be a lot of FOMO. Alright, let me chill. I'm reading something at the same time I'm doing this. I can't believe I'm actually reading at the same time. At the same time I'm doing whatever, rapping, rhyming, I'm literally reading at the same time. The mind is crazy how the brain works. Shout out from West Coast, Vancouver. Native pride. Let it ride. Holding to the moon. You know, I should do that in a popular live stream. Like for a super chat, I will say a rhyme. A custom rhyme for the person at super chats. That's ridiculous. Forget I said that. That was dope. Johnny B, what's up, baby? Speaking of that, let me just thank you. We're in the second hour. I can't believe time has flown. Alan Shytown, CRX Joe. There's another super chat. Johnny B, thank you so much for those super chats. I appreciate it. No doubt about it. Thank you guys so much. So Dogecoin, I promise, I am making a buy today. That is no doubt about it. I am going to grab it. I'm going to grab it. This is just really weird. I thought I heard someone walk in my house. I'm hearing things. My cats are there. I thought I heard the side door open on my house. I really got scared for a minute. Like, wait, 1 second. What's up? It's your boy Space Donks. I'm here. I thought I heard someone come into the side door of my house. I took advantage of that. Went to the restroom real quick. What is up, guys? How you doing, baby? We are chilling. We are here. Almost 100 likes. What's up? Nathan Sayers putting the flames in air. The rhyming is why I love your channel. I thank you. Thank you, Caliber. That's interesting to know. I appreciate that, baby. They come out once in a while, you know. I don't really plan on them. It's got to just get. I don't know where it comes from. Sometimes I got to stop myself from doing it because some people are put off by that. All right, the perfect woman. What am I reading? Oh my God, I'm reading. I'm on Stock Twitch right now. If you go to Stock Twitch, you'll literally see the perfect woman, and someone's got a picture up there, topless, and it says AMC on one side, and then a rocket ship on the other side. And I just read it. Sometimes I don't think, I just start reading things out loud. This is ridiculous. Okay. And I rap freestyle too, so that's why I love it. I appreciate that, baby. Hey, you know, it's creative, it's innovative, and just like the Bears, when we go back up past 30 cents and beyond, it's going to be devastating. Yeah, we're going to be fine, though, for real. We're going to be fine. This is great stuff, guys. You're welcome for sure. I admired your courage to do YouTube channel. I wish I could do YouTube travel channel all throughout Latin America. Maybe perhaps one day when we shining and grinding. Yeah. Hey, Johnny B, I say go for it. You know, I say, you know, if you've got a feeling, just go for it. Pull out a camera. Cameras are very cheap. And I appreciate that. Yeah. You know, this is just like second nature for me to get on here and just start talking about, you know, financials and what we're doing, what we're invested in, what we like. And I really like to talk a lot. I'm really good at it, I guess. So yeah, you know, so I said, why not start this channel, like I always said, for friends and family, and I could share what I'm doing with them, with my stock portfolios or what I'm into in crypto. And then all of a sudden it just started going this way. People started following and all that good stuff. So I just keep going. No more nickel and diamond. There'll be no more need to be Bitcoin mining. Oh, I like that. And yes, on the moon, they're going to find that Dogecoin. They're going to be finding it as they're grinding it. But yeah, seriously, guys, this is a big week coming up for AMC. There's a lot riding on the line here, guys. A lot. We already know. We already know Dogecoin's going back up. We already know that. See, this is a different animal. The AMC thing is like, whoa. Like, you know, do I regret at $22? Of course. For hindsight's 2020. Do I regret not sticking like my life savings in it? Of course. But I wouldn't do that. See, I only invest money I could afford to lose. So when you look back on something, you could always say that. So, you know, it's just a part of human nature. But we know we're going to hold, guys. We know we're going to hold. Yeah, so when is the next Elon Musk news going to come with Dogecoin? That's the question. There's going to be some news coming for sure. Elon Musk, I believe, his cryptic tweets. I think, do a pre-production video on it, a produced one that's not live, where I talk about and go through step by step on a few things like Elon Musk, how he was signaling from day one what he's going to do with Dogecoin, and his cryptic tweets, trying to decipher some of them. You know, it would be an interesting quick video probably. Like I could wrap it all up in 10 minutes maybe. You know. So I think we're going to go back up. It's going to be real good. So don't forget, the CEO of Ethereum says Dogecoin is going to be the next big thing. That guy's not lying. That guy was not lying. SEC has no control over crypto, Alan Shoutouts says, so therefore they can't do nothing about Elon Musk, right? Doing anything with crypto, right? At Space Dunks, did you see my link? Well, some people were theorizing that somehow they would pay attention to him more, right? There's all these crazy theories out there. If he does do that, and they'll get on him and give him a hard time with other things. No, I didn't see your link. Did you tweet it to me? My Twitter? Scotty? Hey. Hold on, let me, one more time, my Twitter account. Just in case you want to follow me there. I'm going to start posting some pictures there. I got to get over to it. Pictures not with my face, by the way. I like that. So, Caliper's doing little rhymes in here. It's dropping a little poetry on us. You give... This is... Caliber says, I give Dogecoin bears death coin stares. They drop the price, I buy more shares. That's what's up, baby. I didn't see that link. If you could private, you could hit me up. Send me the link at Twitter. You know? So what's up? It's your boy Space Dogs, and we almost got 100 likes. We almost got 100 likes. Dogecoin is on sale right now. It's a fire sale, some might say. A lot of fear is being spread. A lot of people are confused. A lot of people are like, what is going on? Max L sends me I love Father's Day. My girl spoiled me. And oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, I started reading that out loud. This is private. Thank you, Max. Sorry about that. Oh, wow. That is awesome. Talented. Look at that. The coin. That's awesome. Hey, let me know if I can retweet that. That's a private message, right? I'm ready to get back in the live stream. There you go. Awesome. Hey, Max L got a talented daughter. That looks so dope. Looks so awesome. Very talented, Max. Congratulations. I wrote you a private message, I believe. Thank you for sharing that. See, we got real people in here, real investors, real... The Dogecoin community is real as it gets. For real. It's a really awesome community. So guys, I just want to take the time to thank all my mods right now. I think I'm going to wrap this up because I got some things to do. Listen, if in the event Dogecoin starts to surge tonight, because you never know, I will come back. Maybe, you know what? Ask me this. If Dogecoin starts to surge down in a huge sale, I might come back. Either way, I might come back. I don't hide. All right. Just purchased another Bitcoin. Hector the dude. You got money, my friend. Congratulations. You purchased a whole 35,000 Bitcoin, Hector? Like, for real? Are you serious? That's going to be very, very, very profitable for you in the future, I believe. And you got Dogecoin. I see that D. That's a really good thing. Congratulations to you. Yeah, there's going to be some big, awesome times. Eventually, things are going to go our way even more. I mean, if you're sitting from where I'm sitting, from when I first started this channel, things have went our way with Dogecoin. If you're sitting from where I'm sitting, when I first made my first AMC video, things have went our way. As of right now, things are going our way. Eventually, AMC, we know this, is going to take a dive. It's just going to happen. After that squeeze, when it squeezes, it's supposedly squeezes, right? It's all like crazy. But right now, I'm in a pretty good position with AMC. I'm up with some nice gains. Yeah, I'm not rich off it, but I'm up like, what, $2,000 or something like that. That's a pretty good investment. That's a pretty good turnaround on an investment. I got 56 shares of AMC at $22. I showed it on screen in another live stream, just so you know. When once Doge is connected to ERC20 and they have Doge Ethereum pair, things will pop off. Al, we were talking about that in the last live stream. I'm thinking the same thing. I'm thinking, why, these guys are smart businessmen. Why would the CEO of Ethereum start talking like that, right? He wants to get paid and he wants to do great things and he sees greatness in Dogecoin. So, yeah. I'm not going to be surprised when any of this all comes together. I won't be surprised if nothing surprises me anymore. If Dogecoin ends up at the end of 2022 at $3 to $5 per coin. Al, I better get more Dogecoin like tonight, right, baby? I'm gonna just have to take that, because what my wife does, I can't really like call her up. My wife is actually a heart surgeon. No, I'm joking. She's like doing surgery right now. No, I gotta talk to her, and I'm gonna just do my own thing and just get some on my own, and then tell her later. She'll understand. Especially, look what we've done with Dogecoin, right? You know what's up, baby. Mike, what's up, Mike? I'm glad you got in here before we ended the live stream. Space Donks rocks. Right back at you, Mike. No doubt, Mike F305 is very much alive. Like, Dogecoin will continue to thrive. We are all in here and we will all survive. What's up, baby? Hector says he got it like that. I mean, realistically, I'm sure a lot of you guys could buy an entire Bitcoin. I wouldn't doubt it. But you got to be really careful about what you do, and you got to diversify, and you got to take, it's got to be very strategic what you invest in. Just do it. I'm about to pull the trigger. Space Donks. That's Space Donks. What's that? Oh, on the Dogecoin buy? Oh, I am absolutely going to do it. I am absolutely going to do it when we end here. I'm going to buy a few. I don't know how much. Probably like maybe $500, maybe more. We'll see. I got to go look in there, because I can't sell the one wallet that I have right now at my disposal. I can't. I have also. I forgot. I have Coinbase. I have Coinbase. I just remembered. I appreciate that. We got to 100 likes. Happy Father's Day to everybody from around the world. It's your boy Space Donks. Guys, like I said, if anything big comes later, as far as Dogecoin goes, because we know AMC is going to do its thing this week. But if it comes tonight, I'll be back. Tonight, late. I was thinking, I haven't done in a long time a midnight live stream. I haven't done that. Alan Shoutouts at Space Donks on Doge. Gonna do another 1K. Go for it, baby. Congrats, Al. Al, thanks again for the super chat. CRX Joe, thank you. I gotta remind you, say, because you guys I really appreciate it. Johnny B, thank you so much. You guys have been awesome. And Max L, thank you always. And I appreciate you sharing what your talented daughter did. Really awesome. And you are a lucky man. And I love the coin, by the way. Oh, that's amazing. You actually have the freaking coin. So guys, I'm gonna wind down right now. I'm gonna save myself for another live stream. So guys, it's your boy Space Donks. I think that we're gonna continue our journey, and we're gonna continue being good investors and exchanging ideas, and we're gonna continue forecasting. Dogecoin is gonna always look positive. It's gonna do great things that many of us are gonna be proud of. Good luck on that AMC. I think it's gonna be awesome. Somebody wants to see a commercial. All right, before I leave, I'm gonna end this on a commercial. Do it late. Alan Shoutouts says I possibly will. I'm gonna. You'll see me tonight. Maybe. Who knows? We'll see. I'll try. I'm not gonna promise, and then I can't. I don't want to be a liar, and then I can't come. Okay. So we're gonna end this on a Dogecoin commercial trailer. I think I'm gonna do trailer number 2. A lot of people like that one. So once again, thank you everybody. You know who you are. I'll be back with another live stream. Thank you Samantha Mitchell for attending. Thank you all the live stream. Actually, thank you for all the mods in the live stream and everybody else who's attended. And all the fathers out there, enjoy the rest of your evening. I'm going to rock out and end out on this live stream because Dogecoin is still going to the freaking moon. It's going to happen. And I am out for now. Thanks everybody. So to the moon, to Mars, and to the stars, baby. It's your boy Space Donks. Hope to see you in another live stream soon. Thanks everyone. I'm out. Peace.
There's a good chance that crypto is the future currency of Earth. And then it's like, well, which one is it going to be? And maybe it'll be multiple. The point is that Dogecoin was invented as a joke, as essentially to make fun of cryptocurrency. Fate loves irony. The most entertaining outcome is the most, like, what would be the most ironic outcome? That the currency that was invented as a joke, in fact, becomes the real currency. To the moon.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.